Powerful earthquake strikes southern Philippines. Powerful 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck off the southern Philippines today. The quake hit about 193 miles southeast of Davao City on the main southern island of Mindanao at a depth of 59 miles at 8:23 p.m. local time 1223 GMT, according to USGS. There were no immediate reports of damage and a tsunami warning was not issued so far. Preliminary earthquake report magnitude 7.0 date time January 21, 2021 12:23 and 6 seconds UTC January 21, 2021 21:23 and 6 seconds near epicenter January 21, 2021 location 5.007 and 127.517 E depth 95 km distances 210.8 km 130.7 miles, SE of Pandagatan, Philippines 231.0 kilometers 143.2 miles, SA of Caburan, Philippines 259.1 kilometers 160.6 miles, SSC of Mati, Philippines 262.3 kilometers 162.6 miles, SC of Melita, Philippines 310.9 kilometers 192.7 miles, SC of Davao, Philippines location uncertainty horizontal 7.0 kilometers, vertical 5.0 kilometers parameters NPH equals 124, min equals 312.8 kilometers, RMSS equals 0.82 seconds, GP equals 28 degrees.